Maria?
No.
What?
This address?
What?
23002.
Yeah.
You know?
Oh, you know what that is? 213?
Yeah.
That might, you know what's in the map? It's 213.
This way, lot of
Is it the 43rd or 42nd?
42nd.
Yeah, call them, verify, all right? Okay, have a good one. Stay safe. Oh, that's it. It's right around the corner. All right. It's right here. I'm not familiar with this place, but... All right, you got it. Have a good one. Have a good night. Thank you. This is fun watching this. I got to admit, it's fun. Nobody knows how to use their emergency blinkers to double park and look at their phone. Big hurry. Big hurry. Louis G. Yes.
Please. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Well, I gotta go out here and pray I don't get hit by a car. Oh, look, more SUVs. Oh, the joys of being in this place every day. What, is he in the middle of a conversation? Is he on his phone? Come on. Please do something. Pull over, signal. Stop. I don't know which way you're going. Right, left? I'm afraid to go past you. Come on. Can't sit in the middle of the street. All right, I'm going around you. Now you decide to go. What are you doing? If you don't know what you're doing, pull off to the side of the road. And okay. Nice driving. Just stop in the middle of the street. You gotta wait. He's gotta go this way. Don't back into that person walking. Oh my God. Actually, they're looking forward while backing up. That makes sense. There's no cars. There are no cars coming. Get out there and turn and make a right turn and get going. There's no cars. You must be making a U-turn. That's nice. Nice turn. No turn signal, huh? No turn signal. Good job. Yeah, just running that stop sign. Good job. See? Yeah, rich people don't have to obey rules. Look at this dumb shit this person's gonna do. Look at that. There you go. Genius. there's this going on back here. Road Rage Friday. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Look at the clientele. Expensive cars. Thank you. Have a good night. A bunch of stuck-up rich people. Have a good one. Thank you. Take care.
No refrigeration.
Oh, thank you. Have a nice night. Thank you. You too.